Hi friends, now we are going to discuss 4.83, the magnetic dipole moment of revolving electrons. It is 4.83, magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. See that the electron is magnetic moment. Even the electron is possessing magnetic moment because circulating charges given by it is even Oversted suggested, Ampere circuital law also says this one. The circulating charges constitute current, and this current carrying loop always produce magnetic field. Now let us consider what it is. Electron, it is an electron is revolving in. This is minus E, revolving it in anti-clockwise sense. When electron is revolving in anti-clockwise sense, we all know current is always in opposite direction to that of the flow of electron. So current is flowing in clockwise direction. Electron is going in anti-clockwise direction. So current is flowing in clockwise direction. I is equal to Q by T, which is equal to charge on electron divided by the time period. Suppose that r is the radius and v is the velocity, then the time period is equal to distance 2 pi r divided by velocity. So we get it. Current is equal to E divided by 2 pi r into v. Current is equal to EV divided by 2 pi r. This current is in clockwise direction. It is not in anti-clockwise direction. Now magnetic moment M is equal to I into E. Therefore, EV divided by 2 pi r into pi r square, it becomes EVR divided by 2 pi. This is magnetic moment. Magnetic moment, it will be into the plane of the figure. Into the plane of the figure. Plane of the figure. See this one. It is not outward, it is into the plane of the figure because current is in anti-clockwise direction. This magnetic dipole moment is represented by symbol mu L. This M is represented by symbol mu M. It is 2 pi into VR. This one is represented by symbol, it is mu L. Suppose that I multiply and divide this and this by M, then I get it. Mu L is equal to E by 2 pi is already gone there. This pi will not be there. This is gone. This one will not be there. 2m. Here MVR I take. Adjusted. Multiplying and dividing by M to both. We get it. MVR is nothing but angular momentum. MVR is nothing but angular momentum. Therefore, mu L is equal to L. This mu L, it is a magnetic moment, is E by 2m times L. If you take it, mu L by L, magnetic moment 2, this angular momentum, ratio of magnetic moment to angular momentum, it becomes E by 2m, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 90. Divided by 2 into 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. If you check this one, this together, it is becoming as, this is called as gyromagnetic ratio. This one is known as gyromagnetic ratio. Ratio of mu L by L is known as gyromagnetic ratio. Then next one, mu L, only mu L when we are taking it, so ratio of angular momentum to the ratio of magnetic momentum to the angular momentum is called as gyromagnetic ratio, mu L by L. Now mu L, we got it, mu L is equal to E divided by 2. But L, according to Bohr's model, it is equal to, keep it in mind, angular momentum of electron revolving around the nucleus is n by h. It is given by Bohr's model. Therefore, mu L is equal to E divided by 2m into nh 2 pi, which becomes n eh 4m pi. For n is equal to 1. If the electron is revolving in first orbit, then mu L is equal to Eh divided by 4m pi. This is called as Bohr's magneton. This one is gyromagnetic ratio. Gyromagnetic ratio. This is known as gyromagnetic ratio. This is known as Bohr's magneton. Bohr's magneton. Value of this Bohr's magneton, once again we can calculate. Minus 16, 8.84, 10 raised to power minus 34, 4, 9.22, 10 raised to power minus 31, 3.1, which becomes 9.27, 10 raised to power minus ampere meter square, minus 20. This is not, it becomes minus 24. So this is the ratio. Gyromagnetic is a Bohr's magneton of electron revolving in first orbit. Electron also, this is the orbital. This one is known as orbital magnetic dipole. Because of it's rotating in orbit, but electron, it also spins around this one. Electron is knowing it as a fundamental particle. Therefore, the axis is not known because it's a single particle. What is the axis of rotation, spinning of the electron, we cannot fix. In one particle case, this is the one point. It can be at any axis. It can spin. So, this is, we are not considering here. But altogether, there are two types of magnetic moment. One we call it as orbital magnetic moment. One we call it as spin magnetic moment in case of electron. In this topic, we have learned two important concepts. One is gyromagnetic ratio. It is the ratio of magnetic moment to the angular momentum. And second one, Bohr's magneton. Bohr's magneton is the value of magnetic moment in first orbit. It's an electron's magnetic moment when it is revolving in first orbit. This value, it changes with change in orbit. It becomes 2 when it changes its value. This is known as orbital magnetic moment. That's all. Thank you.